Hello folks, Kevin here from Goblin's Creation. In front of you, you see a very bad swipe I did. Now, yeah, it's not good, is it? Yeah, no excuses. It's appalling. I am going to just, well, I make good is the word, isn't it? I'm going to try and make good on it, and I'm going to use the original one was pink, gold, copper, yellow, blue, and red, but it didn't work very well. So I'm changing up a bit. I'm still going to use black as the base, well, the cover, but I'm going to go with pink because that at least did seem to work well, and blue this time. And copper, not the gold. The gold, yeah, just didn't work. Maybe because it was too close to the yellow. Let's hope that's what it was. Let me see if there's any other colours on the shelf that would look good in here. You know, I don't know whether I should just draw a line under it and just use those colours. Right, what I'm going to do is a progressive swipe, which means the colours will change as they go along, and I'll be doing it from this all the way across the board. It's obviously the longer swipes are slightly more fraught with possible errors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and do like a sky and then some pink landscape basically. So I'm going to start with this rather nice Cobalt Q. And I'm going to put in the pink. Now remember always to put your colours in upstream because you're going to drag them down. Don't put them where you want them, put them upstream. I'm just going to try a little bit of almost a bit of a gradient almost. And I want to put some coppers in. This copper is slightly thicker than the others, I think. Oh, maybe slightly thinner. Right. I feel like I should put another colour in there. You know, it's a white canvas. I've not coated it, so I'm going to use white. I can hear people at home going, "No, don't do that. Not with black." Yeah, it's got lots more white anyway, but I'll have to mix up some more. Okay, right, we have an interesting mix of colours there. Let's hope I've got enough black left from the swipe. Oops, daisy, I may have squirted it all out at once. Oh dear. Fortunately, I do have some more black that I made up at the same time I made this up. So it could be interesting, couldn't it? Right, as I say, I have a little bit more black, so that's not the end of the world. I'll just put the black ready just in case I need it. Right, I've got a little bit of card here, which is a bit mucky now. Just clear off. That's the one I used just now, so always make sure you clear off your sides before you reuse them. Okay, here we go. Cock up the end there. That's unfortunate, isn't it? Have to redo this. Oh, yeah, I've blocked in the middle. Oh, this is all going pear-shaped. This is all going the shape of a pear. Not following my own instructions to clean it after each wipe, aren't I? That's the problem. I now swiped off, taking the paint off the canvas. Let's take the paint off the canvas and start again. Well, got some interesting effects there. Let me just move it over a bit. Lots of wasted paint. Yeah, let's just swipe the rest of it off. Or at least make it fit enough that I can work on it. Right. That was a waste of paint. Okay. Decisions now. What am I going to do with this? It's a pity because the pattern of the paints on in the bowl is very nice. Right. I don't know. Let's see what we've got. Got a little bit purple and a little bit blue. I'm just going to do a quick flip. Quick flip, just one cup and see what happens. I got some purple, not much purple, pink, black, copper. I think copper and black, really nice over pink and black. Also copper and blue. That's the cobalt hue. Helps you take the top off. And some. I'm gonna keep the white away from the black by sandwiching it between two blues. So I've got cerulean blue there. Go with the purple again. That beautiful bright fluorescent pink. Black. Copper. Cobalt hue. Whatever is left of the cerulean, which is not much by the sound of it. Look at that. What's that? And the same goes with the white. Oh, just put some white on the canvas. White. Let's cover that all with purple. A bit of light on purple as well now. That's alright, because we're going to go heavy on pink. Drop of black. Copper. Blue. I'll give up white. Let's go blue to copper again. And then back out black. Pink. Blue. Copper. Black. Right, I can't be bothered to do a flip cup, so I'm just going to, well, not a flip cup holding the canvas, I'm just going to flip it. So I don't know what you want to call this, a drop. I will say that that was more down to the consistency of the paint than to the speed of my wrist there, but voila, a flip cup, where I've just flipped the cup. about that, guys and girls, and everyone in between and outside. I do like the pinky blue sort of, well, it's almost like a creature, isn't it, in the middle? Right. I think this canvas is a bit big for this. Luckily, as I say, I've mixed up some more black, so let's see if we can coerce it to fill the whole of the canvas. Good job, I mixed up that black. Right, first of all, let's connect it up with the black all the way around. Start stretching it out a bit. I really don't want to lose the pattern, so I'm being very careful on my stretching. I just suddenly realised that's probably not in shop for you, is it? Alright. I think this one is going to have a bit of negative space around it. I'm going to be able to stretch it across the whole canvas. Encourage it to come into the corner. Right, that's all the sides covered nicely. Nicely, he says. I'm going to try and stretch it out. I want there to be enough paint that I can get this little detail with the blue and the back into the middle. I think that would be my favourite. Oh, you can't see any of that, can you? So much paint in this bowl. After all, this is my third attempt at this one. Right. On this camera, I also have a time limit. Didn't know when we got the camera, but there is a limit to the camera. It's not a new camera, it's an old Canon camera, but it's I went a bit too far there, didn't I? Right, I'm just going to wash my hands so you guys can have a look at that. Hopefully it's in focus. Right, so I think I probably need to run the torch over that because there's a couple of bubbles in it. It's a bit of a star field, isn't it? It's quite cool. That's go. Flame going. Well, as always, I will try and get some detail shots and pop them on the end of this video. Please comment if you've got any questions or comments, obviously. Please like, again, pretty obviously, if you enjoyed this video. And, well, if you wish to see more of this video or any of the content from Goblins of Creation, please subscribe. Thank you very much.